So, exit nami guys. Pa-exit nami. Murag padong na ni sa ubos. Waiting na po mi. Adto mi sa African Savannah. Kami sa giraffe o sa big lions. Giingon nila big lions daw. So, ato mi dito. Ay species diri guys. Oh.
Binturong.
Binturong. Binturong. Muna yung mga binturong. Mura lagi siyang maddan. Oo. Mura wild cat ba? Di wild cat. Muna siya.
Pictures at tadri.
Naapa na sa buhol, horot na si BMD boys so mga puwagsak. So naapot ta diri karon sa African Savannah. So unsa man mga hayop nga makita diri? Oh, klase-klase. Na ay impala. Na ay wild beast, zebra, blissbok, eland, waterbuck, gemsbok, greater kudu, and East African ground crane. Oh, mo ni makita diri no? Crane, East African ground crane. Mo ni siya. So magulat ta sa next trip para makita nato ang the African Savannah. Alright. So mo na sila makita nato diri. So napakanindot imagine nato no kung kani sila free lang sa wild diri sa tibok Pilipinas sa saring mga wild animals. So dili lang yun huntingon sa mga tao no ug naalag gyud mga discipline. So ug kani siya daghan po ni nga population enough ra kayo more than enough kung mag-consume ang mga hunters o isa pod na apoy mga limits kung mag-hunting ka sa mga forest ranger siguro na mga ana forest caretaker siguro. Pero dili na mahitabo diri sa Pilipinas siguro ambot lang. Unlike sa laing country nga nagyo discipline. So mao na guys. Pwede sa diri mag skybike, zip line, giant swing, white lion safari, and ATV adventure. Daghan kayo diri. So dili gyud enough pang isa ka adlaw kung maglibot-libot ka diri. Wow. Antelope.
With unusual white markings on its face. That's what we call a blesbok. So blesbok named after the Dutch term for blaze, referring to the white markings on their faces.
Okay.
And also both males and females have ringed horns, with females having slightly slimmer than the male horns.
Okay.
Next, that one at the back is what we call an impala. So impala are
Impala?
known as the incredible jumpers of the savannah. They can leap up to 3 meters high and cover distances of 12 meters. And also male impalas can bear horns while the females don't. And we have here the zebra. So zebra stripes are unique like fingerprints, with no two animals have the same pattern. And also zebras are herbivores. They mainly eat plants. If they are not eating or traveling, they take that opportunity to sleep. In fact, zebras sleep standing up, but they will only sleep when they are in a large group so that they can be alerted of danger. And that one over there is the smallest antelope here in Savannah. That's what we call a Townsend's gazelle. Townsend's gazelle are fast runners. They can reach speed of up to 50 miles per hour or 80 kilometers per hour.
Wow.
And also both males and females have horns, with females having slightly slimmer than the male horns.
Oh. Hi. Wow.
This one with a dark brown fur is what we call a waterbuck. Okay, so these are what we call the waterbuck. So waterbuck can be found in sub-Saharan Africa, and they have a strong association with water, helping them evade predators like cheetahs, hyenas, lions, and other African wild dogs. They use the water to escape and defend themselves against it. Next, that's what we call a greater kudu. So
Greater
greater kudu,
kudu.
distinguished by white lateral lines on their bodies. They're the tallest and longest horned antelope, and males have horns while the females don't. And next to him is what we call an eland.
Eland.
Is one of the largest antelope species in the world, both in terms of size and weight. And also they are known for their large spiral horns that can grow up to 3.3 feet long. Another fun fact about the eland is their milk are more nutritious than a cow's milk
Wow.
due to their high protein content.
Okay.
Very
Okay,
nice.
once again, waterbuck,
Waterbuck.
and eland.
Eland. Kudu. Ito sakit.
Okay, so that one is what we call a wildebeest. So wildebeest are known as the clown of the savannah because they will do these silly dance movements to attract the females during their mating season. And also, if you are familiar with the movie The Lion King, where Mufasa died,
Ah,
they are the
yes,
ones
yes,
who
yes,
caused that
yes.
stampede.
Oo.
Okay, once again.
All the bees. My dear.
Thompson's gazelle.
Ah, okay.
On your left side, African lion on your right side. It's a walking tour until you reach the background area.
Okay.
Okay, thank you so much.
Thank you.
Enjoy the rest of the walk.
Kaon siya. Nihapon na siya. Hello. Oy, nag-eat na siya sa iyang food. Ay, suga mo kaon, no? Tapos isa dito, oh. Chinese siguro ni kay inchik man. Mukhaon na siya balili mo ra siya kabaw. Wow, the biggest lion here in Cebu Safari. Tapos dila eh. Dako sa dila, no?
I'm Annie Luna. Hi. What is your name?
Gatski.
Gatski.
Hey, Cheetah.
Hi.
Come here.
And you are Gatski.
Gatski, I'm Gatski.
And then Gatski.
Hey, Cheetah.
Tita, are you okay?
Ah. Hey, Cheetah, are you alone? Anybody there?
Ewan ko, ambot sa langaw.
Oh my God, you're alone. Oh, you're trying to cheese something, right? She's cheesing something. Oh, ano siya, oh? La 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 la. La 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 la. Nakita niya ang bata, oh. Murag. She's trying to hunt the baby. Yeah, the baby audience here. You see? Look at this. Look at this, guys. Oh my God. Oh my God. She look hungry. She look hungry, guys. Hey, Cheetah. Hey. Hello, Cheetah. You look hungry. Hey, Cheetah. Murag gigutom na. Ah. Wala. Ah, la la la. Ah. Ayun, ay naitaw. Oh, naitaw. Oh, hey! Hey! I'm here! Come on here! Hey! Oh, come on! Oh, come on! Oh!
Hello!
Where are you going?
Wala ka ano!
Hey! Dali, dali, dali! Sabot bisina.
Come here. Come here.
Yes, yes. There is a small one. It's look like female. Oh.
Oh my God, very fast.
She's a female because her face is full of bulbos.
Come on, baby.
Mga bay, daghan kayong mananaw diri mga bay, mga natural. Tanawa mga bay, na diri sa nasa lobby. Tanawa mga bay, mga mananaw diri mga bay. Oh, tambok ay mananaw mga bay. Siyempre kapkaban. Oh, kapkaban. Ang nakaila ni kasagaran bulanon ang mga taga Bukidnon. Mao ni sa una ang ginagamit, mo ni mo usap-isapi, paluparon. Dapat ano diri mga bay. Oh, kana. So mo ni siya diri ang mananaw na diha sa Sabyot. Mananaw. Look at this guys. Nata diri karon sa giraffe. Oh, kita na kita sa tungay gagaw diri. Okay. Okay, look at this. 3 giraffe here. Alive. Oh, unsa na ilang ginakaon, sir? Mulberry leaves.
Ang mulberry, diri po na siya ginatanom, sir.
Farm. Mulberry leaves. O mo ni ginakaon sa kuan. Dili din na siya pwede mo kaon og mga laing mga sagbot, no? Okay. So nice kayo ang color sa giraffe. Oh.
Dirihan, be. Dirihan, tama na.
Wait lang. Muduol diri, muduol. Dali, oh, come here. Alah, tako sa dila. Sa dila. Le. Ka-cute. Ang galing, ganda. Taasa ganang giraffe din, no? Imagine, kaya liparin ng mga lions, mga tiger. Ay. Galing. Giraffe. Exhibition time. Ligo-ligo lang. Galing. Parang tatay. Ang tatay, parang nangita ng pagkaon. Tatay, gila ng hapon.